Assignments in the portal are a huge deal. The assignment center students use as their homework planner. And so if we don't post test quizzes, homework assignments, classwork to the LMS, then the students' view and their understanding, and their parents' understanding, and the administration's understanding of what's happening in our class is muddled. There's two basic approaches to adding a new assignment. The way that I recommend, and the easiest for me, is through the assignments view. At this place, I just add a new assignment, assessment, or discussion. All of these are new events that can be added to your gradebook. You can create all of them without adding another line, another column into your gradebook. They can be ungraded assignments, practice work or discussion, or a practice quiz. The gradebook, which I'll keep down here to protect my students' privacy, also has the add assignment option that you can create a new assignment right from viewing the gradebook. So, however you get to this view, adding a new assignment essentially follows the same ideas. You add a title and a description, and you select what type of assignment you have. Now, this can get complicated because there are ways where you can set up weighted categories. So, homework comprises 25% of the grade. Even if there's one assignment or 50 assignments, it all gets added to a certain category. Or you can have just a total sum of all accumulated points from any category. And so it limits you by default to those categories you've used before or have set up from in your weighted categories. But you can ignore that and select any type of assignment if you'd like. This next section is an optional place to add in links, a name of the link and where it goes to, or click over to add downloads, the file and what the students see when they click on that file, and the name of the link to download that file. And then this is the option to whether or not you want to add it to your gradebook. This is just an abbreviated title, so it can fit on a certain other, compact views. How many points it's worth and how many times you want to multiply that point value. I've never found much luck with the extra credit stuff. There's more written on the Gilmore.online about how that extra credit works. And this rubric is so helpful. I love that so much. But that's a topic for a different video. Online submissions almost always now allow on-campus submissions. They can submit links too. They don't need to attach a file. So if they have a Google Drive link or if they have a link to something on a different site that they've worked on and they're just submitting a link, they can do that there. You can create multiple repeating events. This is a little more complicated, and there's additional details on the Gitbook. But the important thing is when were the students told about this assignment? And usually I reveal it during class time. And then when does it due? And when do the students see it? Do they see it only when it's assigned? Because if it's a problem that's timed, and you don't want students to get an early peek at it, then select this option. If you don't mind students working ahead, that's something that we should support where possible, then go ahead and publish it now. Or just keep it hidden until you're done building whatever it is you're trying to build. And those are the basic options on creating a new assignment. You can also import existing ones from other teachers, from other classes. That's all very easily done through add existing. I don't know about doing it there, but using the import feature, very, very handy. I import all the stuff that I used from last year and then make tweaks. Cool. If you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope the rest of the Gilmore.online article about the LMS answers and is helpful. Yeah, these one-take videos are going to kill me.